Today the topic for my lecturate is tourism in India. I am going to cover this topic in four parts. That is the potential of tourism in India, the present scenario, challenges, and the future of tourism in India. Okay, so we all know that India is an incredible country, okay, with a lot of diverse culture, a lot of diverse religion are present in the country, and also there is diverse geographical feature in our country. So India is an ancient civilization. India has been the place for ancient civilization, and with the growing time, a lot of tourism spots have been developed in India. At present time, there are a lot of tourism spots in India, be it religious or geographical. So India is diverse in both the tourism spots. So now I'm going to speak on each of the tourism spots. See, when it comes to religious tourism spots, India is diverse in nature because India has also got the tourism spots like Amarnath, Kedarnath, Badrinath, okay, and also Jama Masjid, Fatehpur Sikri. They are something like religious spots. Now coming toward the geographical tourism spot. So India has got a diverse geographical tourism spots. They are the sanctuary parks, biodiversity, ecosystem, the Andaman Nicobar, and the we have a lot more. So India has got the potential to attract tourists from all over the world, but India is not doing it in the present time. Okay, that means India is lacking behind. So what are the challenges that India is facing? The first and foremost challenge is that lack of investment in the tourism sector. See, be it the government or any private sector, no one is investing the desired amount what the tourism sector needs. The second point is underdeveloped infrastructure. The infrastructure for tourism is not developed as it requires, and there has also been less initiatives taken by government or private bodies or the local bodies, which is hindering the tourism in India. So these are a few challenges which, if count and means if they are tackled, then India in terms of tourism sector can grow, and it can boost even the economy of our country. So what can be the future of our country? The future can be if India invests in the tourism sector. If the infrastructure is developed, then a lot of tourists will be attracted towards our country, and it will give employment to the unemployed, to the local people, and it will also boost the economy of our country. Thank you.